In this video, I'm going to show you how to design your images for your digital use. Whether you want to design for your Facebook post, for your YouTube thumbnail, or whatsoever you want to design, you can do that using Canva.com. Canva.com is actually a free digital tool that you can use to design various sizes and designs of images for any digital work you are carrying out. Although for you to participate, to have access to all of these tools, you may be asked to create a free account for you to be able to have access to the tools. But I tell you that the free version of this Canva can actually do a lot of work for you. Although there are premium version of it where you have more professional looking designs. Most of my work anyway, I use the free version of Canva to design my images. With Canva.com, you can design images for your Facebook posts, invitations, Facebook cover page. Definitely, you know, not every image will fit the size of your Facebook cover, and so many other stuff that you can create, you can design using Canva.com. Here you can see blog banner and book cover. Should you want to design ebook design using Canva.com. But in this very tutorial, I'm going to use Facebook cover as an example to show you how you can actually use Canva to make a design. You must have to be creative, a little bit creative, for you to be able to use Canva.com. Just be a little bit creative so that you can access and make any design of your choice. So once I click on this Facebook cover, the size, the environment where I'll be making my designs, we have to, this is the length of it. This is actually the length of it. So it's going to create the dimension of this. And if you come back to this place, I think I have to show you this. You'll see over here, should you want to make a custom dimension, you can click over here. If you know the dimension of the image you want to design, then you can make a custom dimension over here. So now that I want to create my design over here, I want to create a Facebook cover page, and these are templates. As you can see over here, these are already inbuilt templates that I can use as it pleases me. This is for birthday Facebook cover. If someone is celebrating birthday, you can use any of this cover to make a design for the person or for yourself. So, and so many other purposes. This is for wedding, and this is for makeup, and so many purposes that you can use any of these to make a design. So I'm going to choose, I'm just looking for a better cover title to use over here. I think I'll have to go for this. I'll click on see all. If I'm going for this, I'll have to click on see all to see all of other templates to use. Now we have all of these templates. These are free of charge. Some of these images you can actually pay for them, those that appear to be more professional looking. As you can see over here, this is free of charge, and this, there is no free here. That means you must have to pay for it for you to use this template, and this is free also. So I'll be going for this free image. Here we are. Now we can edit any of this image, being the background. We can change the background by clicking on background over here. If you click on background, you have other images or colors to select from. So here you can select this red color, you see, and I can go back over here. You can choose to add your own text. So yeah, upload image from your laptop or from whatever gadget you have, and you can add elements, shapes and stuff like that. You can add them inside here, and photos and so many things. Just navigate around and see what you can really do with Canva.com. So here I can choose to edit because I already clicked. I choose this is a template for birthday, so I can change this to any image by clicking on here and delete this and put in say, for example, you are welcome. You can write anything of your choice and it goes. This date, you can change this date, write anything you want to write. I think that's why I say that you just really need to be a little bit creative for you to be able to do this. 2020, you can write in anything, and that's all you need to do. You can change the color of your writings, the text color, through here, and select color. Even here, you can select any color. Come over here, you can see as you are clicking on it, it's changing. You can bold it to, and that's how it goes. You can choose this back again and click on here. You can underline, add uppercase and lowercase, increase the letter. See, it can increase the letter as it pleases you. And if I had written 2 lines, I can increase the height with this, and that's how it goes. So these are and many more are what you can actually do with canva.com. I can choose to write my text here by clicking on this, and it comes up like this. You can see greener postures skills.com. I move it from here. You see, as you move it around, you have a line that helps you to centralize it. So I can keep this way, and over here you can choose to download. Now in this very angle here, you have PNG image of high quality image and JPEG small file size. So here I'm going to just simply click on here and I download my image. Now you can select where you want your image to be saved. I will have to take it down to my desktop. I click on save, and that's all I have for you in this very tutorial. Now you can go ahead and try a lot of things on how to make use of canva.com for your digital images and designs.